It's Black Friday in the US and you are in India. You see a deal you want to steal, but how will you get it shipped? Sure, Amazon.com helps you ship your purchases internationally, but that's just one website. Here's how you can make the most of Black Friday and Cyber Monday while getting your orders delivered to your doorstep. If you have a credit card, find out if your credit card company has a tie-up with the package forwarding service. Citibank has a tie-up with Borderlinks, ICICI has one with ShipOut from USA, American Express has one with MyUS, and even Standard Chartered has one such offer. But remember, your bank might not help out much if something goes wrong. If your credit card company has no such offers, use package forwarding services directly. Aramex's Shop and Ship is popular in India. It has a high one-time sign-up fee of $45 or roughly 3,000 rupees, but there are discounts and promo codes that help you out of this fee. Shop and Ship has a wider range of origin zones or countries you can order from. There are no annual charges for Shop and Ship, but you pay for every shipment. Wirebox is great for its pricing. Sign up for free and it claims you can get your goods at lower rates. Your package for up to 180 days will be kept for free. And the tariff card for shipping, the rates seem much lower than most competitors. Bring Me That from there helps you find people who are traveling from different countries to your region. You can pay and get a package forwarding service called InstaShip. The company can buy the item for you if your payment method isn't working at any American online store. Convenient, right? Bongo US has now become FedEx cross-border. It does exactly the same thing as before. Forward your packages from the US to other countries. It charges $5 per package received, which makes it a little expensive compared to the competition. It also lets you prepay taxes and custom duties. Since the same company is handling shipping, you don't have to deal with two agencies in case you need customer service. SHIPITO lets you get a virtual debit card for purchases from the US. This works like prepaid Forex cards or Metro cards. You add money to the card and then you make the purchases. This service charges $2 per package other than shipping fees. You can always group multiple packages to save on costs. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, and follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram.